Good day everyone, my name is Dave Alvarez from BSIT1F and I'll show you some helpful apps for a student and teacher that you can use during physical activity. These apps can help you track workouts, stay motivated, and stay healthy. First is Strava. Strava is an app for tracking running, cycling, and other activities. It helps student and teacher monitor their progress, set goals, and even join challenges to stay active. Next is Google Fit. This app tracks your step, heart rate, and exercise minutes. It's helpful because it reminds students and teachers to move daily and promotes a healthy, active lifestyle. Another great app is Night Training Club. It offers free workout programs and guided exercise for strength, endurance, and flexibility. Students and teachers can follow different workouts from beginner to advanced levels, making fitness more accessible. Lastly, Fitbit works both as a smartwatch and an app. It tracks physical activity, sleep, and heart rate. It's useful for teachers and students to monitor their overall health and set personal fitness goals. Thanks for watching. I hope these apps help you stay active, healthy, and motivated in your physical activities.